Hi everyone, if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel, 4C Crown of Glory, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Before I get started with this interesting video, I just want you all to take the time out now, if you haven't already, to please subscribe and hit the post notification bell so that every time I upload, you are the first to know. Let's get started right away. So basically, I have some rice water here. I made this rice water. I posted a video of how I made this rice water, and it has been fermenting for a whole month. I am so excited to use this. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So as you can see, it's a little yellow or orange tinge from the orange and pomelo peels. And then at the bottom, you can see that the rice has settled. Disclaimer, there is no actual rice grains in here, but I guess the particles from the rice gathered and settled at the bottom. So that's why you see it very cloudy and white at the bottom. I think this is gonna last me 2 uses. So I'm gonna use half today and then half at the end of the month. It's been fermenting for a month, so I know it's highly concentrated, and I'm so nervous about the scent of this thing. Some people make rice water and they complain about the scent. However, I did put some peppermint oil in here, so hopefully that, along with the pomelo and orange peels, will help, and I won't have any rancid smell coming out. Before I took it up from where I had it, I saw that there was like a little bit of bubbles inside, so I guess that's just telling me that this thing is very fermented, I guess. So I'm so nervous to open this. So nervous. Hopefully I don't get like a carbonated explosion in my face. But I'm gonna open it just to let you guys know what it smells like. And then after that, I'm gonna wash my hair, condition my hair. And once I apply it, I'll come back on and let you guys know how my hair feels. Maybe I should shake it up first a little bit. I'm scared. And I'm so nervous. Look how cloudy the whole thing got. It looks like it's gonna smell, but I don't know. Ready? Oh, it's tight. Yeah, I heard that. I guess if it was supposed to have a smell, I would smell it already. Right now, I don't smell anything. Let me get a closer sniff. So it kind of does have like a fermented, spoiled scent to it, but the peppermint oil is definitely there, as well as the citrus scent. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Not as bad. And for a whole month, I guess, I can't complain about that. Let me go wash my hair, condition my hair, come back, and I'll be right back, okay? Oh, and before I go, I made a funny joke with myself. With this little beanie on my head, I was like, you look like one of the Smurfs. It's cute though, right? Not that bad, and it protects my hair, so I won't complain. And yeah, I'll be back for real. So my hair is freshly washed and conditioned, and I know that the Yao women, they usually stoop over like a basin and they saturate their hair with the rice water. However, for the purpose of the video, I just wanted to use the applicator bottle and put it in my hair just to show you guys that I am using it. And I know that some ladies usually shampoo and condition their hair after using the rice water, but I'm just gonna use it as a rinse. If I notice any harsh or horrible smell coming from my hair, then obviously I'm gonna do one shampoo, one conditioner, and then just wash it out. Hopefully that will take out the scent. Here goes my rice water in here. I transferred it from my mason jar in here. I filled it up, and whatever I don't use, I'm going to refrigerate it and use at the end of the month. I believe you can ferment rice water for up to 2 months. So at the end of this month will be the second month, and I'll just use everything. So let's get started. I have my towel because this thing is very watery. And I'm just gonna put this in my hair and my scalp. Make sure you all go watch my video on how I make my rice water using the Yao Woman recipe. Also, go ahead and watch my onion juice versus rice water video. On there, you'll see if the onion juice or rice water grew my hair. I got some amazing results with using rice water in 1 week. So I definitely had to come back on here and use the rice water again. Rice water can be high in protein and it's not really that good to use it in your hair, especially with type 4C hair because it can make your hair dry and brittle. But I don't use it all the time. The last time that I did use it, I had some amazing results. I grew a ½ inch of hair in just 1 week. So that's why I'm excited to use my 1 month fermented rice water now. I can smell the rancid fermented rice water. It's not that horrible though, because I did use the peppermint, like I stated, peppermint oil, and the citrus fruits to mask that smell. And like I said, a whole month of fermentation, the smell is not that horrible. So my hair is fully saturated with the rice water. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a plastic cap. Usually I will use my steamer, but I'm in the middle of making another video, so I'm just gonna put on the plastic cap, complete that video, and then wash out the rice water. So my hair is covered with this plastic bag. I have a washcloth here that was dipped in hot water. I'm just gonna throw that over that, and then I'll put over a shower cap over that, just to keep in the heat. And I'll be back after 20 minutes. All right, everyone, so my hair is rinsed out with the rice water, and this is my hair. The shrinkage is real. But I can say that my hair feels strengthened, and at the same time, it is soft. Let me just show you guys. I'm not having any issues with detangling my hair with a pick. And let me see what it smells like. I don't smell the rancid rice water scent in my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair, moisturize it, put it in my protective style, and then I will see you all next video. Make sure you guys are on the lookout for my next hair growth challenge, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all later. Bye.